My name's Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and in this video we're going to go over the HB580 Broom. The HB580 is highly effective at clearing debris from smooth surfaces, such as snow from sidewalks in the winter or gravel and dust from pavement in the summer. Sand or other debris that's hanging out on the sidewalk is a breeze to clean up with something this fast. And the broom can be used in that capacity all year long. This broom strikes a good balance of being industrial enough to hold up to heavy-duty use, while still being compact enough to fit into tight areas. Sidewalks or transitional areas can have imperfections that can cause damage to equipment or even be dangerous to anything with a leading edge, like a snowblower or a blade. With the broom, operators can work at a higher rate of speed because it'll just glide right over those imperfections. The HB580 has a 58-inch working width and a 21-inch broom diameter. When fully angled to the right, the working width can be reduced to 53 inches. When fully angled to the left, the working width is reduced to 56 inches. The broom spins at 220 RPMs when the tractor's set at 3,200 RPMs. The bristles themselves are a standard poly material, and they're organized onto a single rotor in a high-density pattern. To replace them, remove the entire rotor and put a new one in. The HB580 broom has its own hydraulic system on board, which allows us to power the rotor with a hydraulic motor. This makes it so we can run the rotor in either direction and in variable speed as well. The broom comes standard, preset to be used in the forward direction. To be able to use it in reverse or select variable speeds, you need two things. You need an electronic actuator kit for the broom and the 12-volt kit for the tractor. The HB580 broom connects to the Ventrac 4500 just like the rest of the attachments, with the front hitch arms. Since it's a powered attachment, not only does it use the auxiliary hydraulics, it also uses the belt-driven PTO. To raise the broom, you'll move the main SDLA lever to the left, and to lower it, you'll move it to the right. During operation, you'll have this lever all the way to the right in the float position. The float position allows the broom to ride on the gauge wheels and maintain constant contact between the bristles and the ground. To angle the broom to the left, you'll move the auxiliary SDLA lever to the left and move it to the right to angle it right. One of the most important parts of running this broom is making sure the gauge wheels are adjusted properly. That's done by controlling the number of spacers on the top and bottom of each gauge wheel on both the left and the right side. As the broom wears, this adjustment will need to be changed periodically to maintain consistent contact with the ground. The factory recommendation is to have a 2 to 4 inch contact patch between the bristles and the surface you're working on. To change the height of the gauge wheels, you remove this pin on the top and slide it out, and with the attachment in the air, you can take these washers off the top and move them to the bottom or vice versa. The way to check the contact patch is to find a surface that has some light debris that needs removed. Raise the broom all the way in the air, make your adjustments on the left and right side gauge wheels, and then drop the broom down onto the pavement and float and let it settle. Once you raise it back up, you can measure the patch that was cleared, and if it's in that 2 to 4 inch window, you're okay. If not, make the proper adjustments and try again. 2 to 4 inches is just a recommendation. There are certain applications where you might need to be more or less aggressive. Thanks for watching this video on the HB580 Broom. For more information, check out our website at ventrac.com or check out your nearest Ventrac dealer.